Now, I have a thing installed on my Visual Studio that's really nice. It's a program called Resharper, and it's graying out some code for me. It's not going to gray out code for you if you don't have it installed.
And right there, if I can inject one more thing, I would like to point out for those of you that are member sponsors with us over on 3D Buzz, um, we have this thing going with JetBrains with Resharper. Resharper is one of the most incredible add-ons I have ever seen for any programming language. It's for C Sharp. It makes your life incredibly, I don't know, simple when it comes to coding in C Sharp. It's your best friend. It makes you a better developer by constantly making suggestions on better ways to write your code. And it's worth every penny 100 times over, in my opinion. It will make your life so much easier. It is glorious. All right, Nelson, back to you.
I do want to point out one quick thing, though. ReSharper will only work on the first tier of paid Visual Studio instances and up.
That is very true. Professional. Though even then, I do believe there are some programs that Microsoft has out there that makes it very easy to get your hands on professional.
Right.
Well, for free.
Yep. Okay, but I just wanted to point that out just because you'll notice that sometimes my colors go funky or I get other squiggles or whatever. That's from ReSharper.